Jai Hind students, today we are going to discuss the next topic of national income chapter, that is gross national product, net national product, and gross domestic product, net domestic product, at a market price, at a factor cost. We are going to look. So if we are just seeing the definition for gross domestic product. So what is the definition? The gross market value of all the final goods and services produced by all producing units located within the domestic country is in an accounting year is known as what? This domestic product. Okay, so what is that? Which are initial, that is which is produced within our country, so it is domestic territory, so that is known as what? A gross domestic product. So gross national product, next term is, so it is the residents who are working abroad, but they are residents of our country, so they are working and they are contributing to our gross national product. Okay, so we are a gross product of our economy, that is contributing to our national income, so that is known as what? A GNP. So it is the market value of all final goods and services produced within domestic territory of a country, including net income received from abroad. So the net income received from abroad has been taken into consideration. Next is we can just see the example. So A is normal resident domestic territory who are residing in our country and working for our country. So B is NR, as normal residents working abroad. Okay, and C is normal non-resident who are not the residents of our country. They are working in our country. So next, how will we calculate GDP? So what and all terms are taken here? So just look into normal residents, that is it is domestic product. So we are taking normal residents who are working in our domestic territory, and also we are taking C part also, non-resident who are working for domestic territory. So the term domestic territory is important, so that is known as that is why we are taking the two terms, okay, for calculating this. So for domestic, when we convert to domestic to national means we are taking the incomes of incomes from abroad also. So we are taking into consideration who are working abroad, their income is also flowing here, so the income received from abroad is also taken into consideration. So it is A plus B. So it is normal residents of domestic territory. We are the contribution of the domestic territory who are residing in our nation. Then the contribution of what? The a normal resident who are staying abroad, that is also taken into consideration, then only it will be finalized. Okay, so just see NFIA, that is I had told you the net income from abroad, so that is known as NFIA. So which and all subtraction we will be getting this, that is B minus C. So what is that? What is the factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad? Okay, so B part you can just see the income that normal residents who are working abroad, they are giving the income to our country, so it is factor income from abroad. So the non-residents who are working in our country, they are contributing to other nations, so that is known as what? A factor income to abroad. So when we subtract these two, we will be getting NFIA. So it is just to what? Convert a domestic product to national product. We will be adding this, that is NFIA. So we will be just seeing the terms, how we are calculating it. To convert domestic product to national product, we will be doing plus NFIA. The NFIA will be given in the questions, or otherwise we have to find it by subtracting FIFA minus FITA. So next NP, that is national product to convert national product to domestic product, we have to subtract NFIA. So it's a domestic factor. So we have to subtract the income from abroad. Next concept is net domestic product. It is the market value of all final goods and services produced by all the producers in the domestic territory of a country exclusive of depreciation during a year. So it's the same definition of gross domestic product. So we are just depreciating the wear and tear, or subtracting the wear and tears that are happening. So that is the calculation what is done for finding the net from the initial stage, what and all, that is from when a machine is brought and when it is what at the last usage of its time period is going on. So in that time period, which and all wear and tears have been taken place, we will not take into consideration for that amount in this net domestic product for calculation. So we will be subtracting the depreciation from the gross, that is initial point of view. So gross domestic product minus depreciation is a net domestic product. So what is that? NDP is equal to, NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. So this is the calculation for this. Okay. Conversion of factor cost to market price. So we are what is factor cost, which and all amount we are spending for the factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So it's in the form of rent, wages, profit, etc. We are spending something for them. Okay, so that is known as what? Factor cost. So to what? Market price means what, which when it is brought to the market for selling, which term is to be added. The term is NIT, that is net indirect tax, is to be added. Net indirect tax, otherwise in the question it will be given indirect tax separately and subsidy separately. So we have to subtract this. Okay, then find the NIT. So factor cost to FC to MP, what we have to do, plus NIT, and to convert market price to factor cost, what we have to do, minus NIT. We have to subtract the taxes to find the factor cost. So next is the term net national product at FC or national income. So net national product at factor cost or national income is the term. So it is the sum of net value added at factor cost by normal residents in domestic territory of a country and net factor income from abroad in an accounting year. The formula is NNPFC equal to NDPFC plus NFIA. So the domestic product plus the income that we are getting from abroad. So what is the definition? It is the sum of net value added at factor cost by normal residents in domestic territory of a country and net factor income from abroad in an accounting year. So in an accounting year is important for every term. So here it is net value added. What and all income or values are added to the factor cost in our normal resident or in our domestic territory. By normal resident means in whom we the people in the domestic territory of a country and net factor income that has been received from abroad. So it is known as what? National income accounting, or the term it is NNPFC. Hope you understood. There are three methods of calculating national income. So first is product method or value added method. Second, it is income method. Third, expenditure method. So first, when we calculate the product method or value added method, the term you have to find first is GDP-MP. Next, when you find through income method, the term you have to first find is NDP-FC. Then only we can convert to the question, the term given in the question. If it is national income, we can convert it simultaneously. So in the expenditure method, if you are finding, you have to find first GDP-MP. So it is easy to recognize this. First and last methods are same, GDP-MP, and in between only a change is there, NDP-FC. So product method, how will you calculate? The formula for product method is value added equal to value of output minus value inputs. So it's the production method, or the production which is taking in our country. So that is we are taking into account. So it's the production. Also a production in terms of which and all sectors: the primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. These sectors together we will find the value of what? Output. Okay. So how will you calculate? The formula is value added method or productive method for estimating national income. So first step is calculate the value of output of all the three sectors, that is primary, secondary, and tertiary sector of the economy. The terms will be given in the question with the values. Okay, you don't worry. So value of output, as I told you, it's primary plus secondary plus tertiary sector, and the value of output is otherwise known as GVOMP, that is gross value added at market price. Hope you understood. So next, the term we are going to see here is the terms. What is the formula for sales? So what is the formula for sales? It will be this P into Q. Okay, so P into Q, that is product into price into what is price into quantity. Okay, so price into quantity sold. So that is known as sales. How many rupee it has been sold, how many quantity it has been sold in the terms of rupees. So that is sales. Next is change in stock. Change in stock. This two has been added together and found a value of output. So it's otherwise known as inventory investment. So what is the formula for change in stock? It's the closing stock minus opening stock. So if in the question, if a decrease in the stock is given directly in the question, so you have to do what? Subtract the value from the sales. Okay, so that is the term to be noted. So here and in the sales proportion, another thing we have to note, P into Q, otherwise it will be given as domestic sale. Okay, domestic sale may be in the form of sale to household, sale to firm, sale to government, sale to rest of the world. So these all are the sales that are going to take place. Okay, so rest of the world is otherwise known as exports. Okay, so you have to add these two. Then domestic sale plus other, this is if it is not given separately, like 4 terms: sale to household, sale to firm, sale to government, sale to rest of the world. it may be given as domestic sale. So you have to add domestic sale plus export. Then you will be getting sales. So what do you mean by another thing you have to see here is it's a sale, it's a domestic sale plus export. We are selling selling to something. This is what and all transactions that is taking place, that is the output has been sold, so it's a plus the change in stock. So domestic, the sale may be given as domestic sales plus exports also. Okay, so next is the value of inputs equal to purchase of raw materials. So it may is also known as intermediate expenditure or consumption. Intermediate expenditure, or it may be given as what? Intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption. The term it will be given. So purchase of raw materials, it's maybe from raw materials may be purchased from household, firms, governments and rest of the world. So it is termed as imports. So you should not take into this term into consideration if the question it is written purchase of capital good or machines. So like that terms is not it is final good, so don't take this. Okay, so it's not taken into account for this calculation in this method. So next is steps. Step 3. So what is that? Value added is equal to value of output minus value of input. So what and all values you get while calculating in the first step, that is value of output minus the second step's value. So you will be getting the gross value added at market price, or it is the term given as GDP MP. So if in the question you have some is asked to find a national income. So how will you find the national income? Know how to find the national income. So how will you find it? So the term, that is you have to, what is the term written in the national income? It is NNPFC. Okay, NNPFC you have to find. So how will you find it? So it's equal to the first you have to find in the product method the GDP MP. At first you have to find it and then you have to convert this to NNPFC. So in the question certain terms may be given for the conversion. As I told you, the what and all terms are there for conversion of this things, you know, the depreciation, this NIT, etc., you know that. So how will you convert? So the question in first form, the production things will be given, so you will be recognizing it is a product method. So then you have to first find the GDP MP using this formula. Okay, then after that you have to find the national income. How will you find the national income? So it's equal to GDP MP, as you have found the answer for this. Then you have to change it to national income, that is NNPFC. How will you find it? So gross, from gross to convert to net, what you have to do? It's a minus what? Depreciation. You have studied, it's a minus depreciation net. So if you have to change the domestic product to national product, what you have to do? It's a plus NFIA, which is plus the net factor income from abroad is to be added. So you don't worry, these terms, that is depreciation, NFIA, etc., will be given in the question. You have to just take the value and substitute it. Next, another term you have to convert is, it is factor cost. It's our value given, we had found only market price. So what you have to do to convert to factor cost? You have to minus it with NIT. Then you will be getting the answer national income or NNBFC. Hope you understood. We will be doing certain numericals now in the next video.